Hello everybody, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing so well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're coming across my platform, my face for the first time, I am iGladon. Here I make fashion content. I do a lot of haul video, how to style and lookbook. So if you like this kind of video, please do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel and hit your notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. So I don't want to ramble too much. Let's just dive right into this video and let's enjoy styling. Basically, here is the look, guys. I just honestly love this summery look. It's very colorful. Then I thought I should play with my scarf here, so this is the reason why I have tied my scarf. I actually like it with this little cute bow that I have on top of my head. I think it's rather so cute. And this is the romper, guys. This is such a stunning romper. I honestly love it. I love the color. It's just like so popping. So I recently bought this one from Mango. So this was for $19.99. So I don't know if they still have this size. It's just so good. I am 5'10" tall, and oh gosh, it fits so well. Like, it's not digging in my V area. You can see there's a bit of space there, and it's not too short, which I really like. It's just so beautiful. It's so summery. This is great for going on holiday, even for a nice day here, going to the pub, going to the restaurants. This is fantastic. I just really like it. So do let me know what you think of this old look. And I decided to pair it with my trainers. So I decided to pair it with my wicker bag, you know, just something a bit easy, more of holiday kind of vibe. So lovely. So yeah, it's a really nice simple outfit that I would like to show you guys. So this is just this amazing dress that I bought from Mango. Really love it. I'll come really close for you guys to see the print on it. Can you see it? Oh yeah, this is it. Like, it's not too harsh at all. I just love the subtleness of the color. It's just like amazing. Really love this one. Again, I decided to pair it with my trainers because it's very easy, and these trainers, honestly, it goes with everything. So I always look for trainers that are a bit more narrow, that doesn't exaggerate my feet at all. So I decided to pair it with my nice wicker basket. So it's just giving me that rich auntie vibe at the moment with this old outfit. I love it. It's comfortable. It's very trendy. And I love the fact that the belt just honestly cinched the waist so nicely. So you could swap it for another sort of belt if you wish. On my ear, I'm using my Ana Luisa earring. So my normal wristwatch, the way I usually layered, the silver and the silver bracelet. And I have a little Ana Luisa bracelet here, and I just pop this one on because it goes with the aesthetic of the dress. So voila, this is it. This is the full look. So basically, I'm here with my sunnies. So I love these sunglasses from Chanel. It's just amazing. It's one of my favorite sunglasses. I love these pearl details that he have here. I don't know if it's on focus, but yeah. So this is a very, let me take my sunglasses off. Yeah. So this is a very minimalistic outfit, but I just wanted to keep it neutral, really clean, and just really like put together, even though I'm putting on shorts, but I just want that classiness to continue, if you see what I mean. So basically, the vest is from Zara. This is the vest that was like everywhere last year. Still, my one is still holding on. It's very good quality. So I do use this vest quite a lot. So this is the blazer. So this blazer is from H&M, and the short is from H&M. You know, when I was buying this short, they actually have it in, they have the blazer of this short as well, but unfortunately they didn't have it in my size, so I bought this one. But this one is close enough to the blazer, because when I saw the short on the website, the model was modeling the shorts and the blazer together with a killer sunglasses, which was really nice. And I thought, oh my god, I really love the shorts and the blazer together, but sadly they didn't have it in my size. But this one is quite good as well, because it's close to, you know, it's close to the short, but it's just different texture. It's very classy, it's timeless, it's lightweighted. Honestly, I love this blazer. I love this look. So on my feet, I'm just putting on my mules. You could swap it with your flats, or you could put on your trainers, but I thought I just want to be a bit extra this afternoon with you guys, so this is why I have styled it. So here I just have this purse of mine, so I put this strap on just to hang it over my shoulder. Sometimes I do put the strap inside, but for this video I thought I'm just going to leave it out. I just love the elegancy of this outfit, and I just love the way it fits on me so nicely. So lovely. This is the next outfit I have for you guys. So let me just give you the full tour of this outfit quickly. Here we go before we start talking. So oh my god, I love these sandals of mine. It's so cute. So basically, this outfit, I actually bought it from Mango. It's so super comfortable, you know. This is like a loungewear sort of outfit when you are home, or you just like your neighborhood, or you quickly go into brunch or anything at all. It's so super handy. So at the back you can see that you have elastic to it. It's so super comfortable. I just really love the color of this outfit. So I thought I'm going to pair it with my basket bag. Love this basket bag. It's not too big, it's a mini basket bag. It's great for sort of everyday event. So this one was from Mango, and it's just incredible. Love it. And my shoe is from my sandals is from Marks and Spencer. I just love the contrast bit, you know, the white bit that is just running through the edge. Really love that. And I just love the neutral tone of it. So the combination, I honestly really just like. It's so cute. Another outfit I put together. Love this outfit. It's very Parisian, it's very relaxed, it's so chic, classy, timeless. So basically I just have my linen shirt here. I bought this linen shirt from Zara. I just love this color of this shirt. It's just like so elegant. It's really beautiful. Is I don't know, I just love the button details, you know. It's golden. I'll come a bit closer for you to see if this can pick it here. Like, it's really nice and golden. It's really lovely. I honestly love linen for summer because it's timeless pieces. I paired it with so many things. I actually picked some up recently from Marks and Spencer, which I really like. So basically I just put this little belt here. I love this belt because it goes with so many things. I think it's just the color palette on this belt that is doing it for me. So this short is from H&M. Is a really nice tailored shirt. Short. It's a really nice tailor short, and it goes really well with this outfit combo. So on my feet I have my mules that I bought from Marks and Spencer. I'll just take my feet up for a sec. It's so comfortable. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like honestly comfortable, as if there's a little like a memory foam sort of thing here, and it's not too high. It's real leather at the top. It's just like so super duper good. So this is the outfit. Let me know what you think of this outfit. And on my neck here I just have my normal gold. I just love this gold statement. I sleep with it, I bath with it, I do all sorts of things with this necklace. I don't like taking it off, so most of the time it's just here. So these are my classic jewelry that I put on all the time, except when I'm going out in the evening. Maybe I could swap it for something else. So do let me know what you think of this outfit. So hi, here is another outfit that I absolutely adore. So this is a very simple outfit, but it's very clean, very elegant, and this is giving me like bohemian vibe. I just honestly love it. So I'm just putting on this embroidered top. This I actually bought from ASOS. I think I've had this one for a long time now, but it's just really nice. It's a shame though, it seems like it's losing its elastic a little bit, which I'm absolutely gutted about. I use it with a lot of my high-waisted like jeans, skirt like this, just for everyday sort of vibe. And I decided to put on this satin skirt, which I bought from ASOS too. So this is a recent purchase, but I love it. I am just so into satin at the moment because I thought I'm going to pair this outfit with my wicker basket. I decided to put on my Muse shoe, just sort of to kind of color block the whole thing. I don't want the color to be sort of everywhere. So I just love the way the top is just drifting off my shoulder. I actually quite like off-shoulder top quite a lot during this month. So yeah, this is it. This is this outfit. I'll give you the full tour again. Oh lovely, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. So I will try to link as much things in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit your notification bell, and give this video a massive thumbs up. It will help my channel quite a lot. Like I often say on this channel, you stay blessed, stay positive. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.